Hey everyone, welcome back. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everyone out there. Been a bit slack with posting, been off the map completely. Just had a lot going on in life, a lot of loss, a lot of work going on. Got two more massive builds in the shop, a 33 GTR, an RX3. It's just been, absolute chaos. So I finally had time to go up and visit Richard. The car actually got painted early December, surprisingly, so I've only just had time to go up and visit and have a look at the car in person. It's being assembled at the moment and blown away. Looks great. Looks $1 million. It's absolute props and credit to the guy who painted it. Done a really nice job. So let's jump to it. So back home now. I was too busy chatting while I was at Richard's, just catching up with him and talking about the car, and I just forgot to actually do a voice over the video. So I think I'm going to add a little voice over to it or put text on the screen or something, but this is the last part of the car now to do. Got the taillight surrounds back from the chromers and just very pitted and sad in a lot of areas, so I've got to remake these, and I thought I'll do a set for my car out of stainless while I'm here. So I'll post up an update for that while I post a video for my car and the other one that's here. But yeah, a lot happening. It's happened to this one. Just as a brief recap, I've got most of the one side is all mocked up, ready to go. I've done a wind-back sunroof conversion, new bonnet skin, new bonnet Rio, because I'm making the bonnet flip upwards, new front rails, waiting on the gearbox still before I can mount the engine, but it's all got the 12A front cover on there, ready to do front mount. But yeah, rolls, steers, happy. Just got to progress a bit further once I get a gearbox, but I'm just trying to be a bit on pause on that at the moment. I finally got my coupe back from getting the headers and exhaust. Absolutely blown away. Really nice job that he's done on there. And I'll put up another clip from the top side. But yeah, very nice job. Just working on putting all the front end and stuff back together at the moment. Got the 1000, it runs drives. Just haven't really had much of the candle been burning to keep cracking on it, so I'll jump back on that in a few months maybe. Sorry, cut out there, my phone rang. I've just been doing new rear wheel tubs for my coupe. Not happy with the ones that I made in there 10 years ago. The hard square edge is just ugly. Can't really handle it anymore. As you improve, you got to improve the car, so I'll keep jumping on this, just working out my dual caliper setup at the moment with different rotors and stuff. So yeah, just a bit of fiddling and tweaking on the front of this. I've got oil cooler and stuff built into the radiator, but I had it all running on the opposite side, up and under the guards, with the oil filter, water pump and stuff all up under the guards. But I'm going to change it and put the oil filter on this side of the guards. So yeah, just going to cut the rad and oil cooler combo up, flip it over, and run the lines on this side of the car. So before I do all my caster setup and stuff again, just a bit of redoing. Not really happy with how it was, and shop is a mess, obviously. Barden actually came up and had a look at his car, stoked with the progress. He dropped off another car while he was here, a little step through mirror Postman Pat sort of vehicle that he's going to turn into a food truck and ice cream truck. So pretty keen to show the progress of that in the year, probably in the middle of the year while I take that on. And I got this R33 GTR being built for America, sort of a Platinum Racing and Dartone build. So yeah, plenty on. Just life's just been absolutely chaos, and yeah, it gets in the way. So thanks for the patience, and thanks for watching, and I'll post up when I post up. Thank you.